I've always wanted a Fertility Idol in my collection for years, so this week on Unlimited Props I'm bringing the iconic Fertility Idol from Raiders of the Lost Ark to life. I started by 3D printing the idol and its display base, aiming for a screen accurate replica. Once the prints were complete, I removed the supports and cleaned up any imperfections to prepare for finishing. To hide the layer lines, I coated the smooth areas of the idol in UV resin, carefully avoiding the hair so I could preserve all that beautiful sculpted detail. The UV resin coat was then sanded smooth. After plenty of sanding, filling and a few rounds of high build primer, the surface was finally smooth enough for paint. 2 coats of undercoat were applied and left to dry overnight. For the finish, after wet sanding the undercoat nice and smooth, I started with 2 gloss black base coats, making sure to wet sand between each coat. Before applying a layer of chrome paint. Once that was sealed with aqua gloss, I built up a rich golden colour using a custom mix of clear yellow and a touch of clear red. The goal was to create a finish that looked like real polished gold while still keeping that metallic depth underneath. For the display base, I wanted it to feel like it had been sitting in an ancient jungle temple for centuries. I painted it in dark stone grey tones, added a black wash to bring out the carved details, and dry brush lighter greys over the raised surfaces. To finish it off, I added a decorative moss and subtle weathering to give it that lost and forgotten look. The result was a relic worthy of Dr. Jones himself and one of my favourite builds yet. If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your fellow prop makers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next build.